everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix Roblox not launching. So in order to fix Roblox not launching, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. The step number one, what you could actually do is you could actually run this Roblox application in a compatibility mode. So for that, you want to open up the Roblox Player or locate it, right click on the mouse. You want to click on properties. As you go to properties, then you want to come to compatibility and make sure to select compatibility mode. Run this program in compatibility mode, and then you want to also select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click the OK button. Now restart your PC and try login and see whether that works or not. However, if the issue still persists on, what next you want to do is you want to make sure to completely close the Roblox application. So first thing, locate hidden icons, and if you can find it, right click on the mouse and click on quit. Then right click on the mouse anywhere at the bottom of the screen, click on task manager. As you have actually done it, so then here what you have to do is you want to locate Roblox Player. If you locate it, so right click on the mouse and click on end task. Once you've done it, so now try opening this Roblox Player and see whether that works or not. Despite of doing this procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you want to simply uninstall the Roblox Player. So for that, you want to actually come to this search engine and type in add or remove and click on the open button. After which, what next you want to do is come to apps, and here you want to locate Roblox Player, or just go to installed apps, and then you want to make sure to locate Roblox and right click on the mouse and click on uninstall, and once again reinstall it. To reinstall, you want to go to a browser. You could actually open up roblox.com from a browser and try playing any of these experience, and it's gonna install it automatically. So then you should be able to fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.